pull a report from my Shopify of people who have spent over a certain amount of money in my store, and I send them all a special thank you postcard. Well, I was gonna walk you guys through how I made it. Looks like I already did, and I don't remember when I did it, but I love it, so I'm gonna leave it. I've got all of my postcards here that I create for my store because I print them here at home, and then I package them and ship them out. And I am in Illustrator, if you're not familiar. I went through all of my photos from this year and kind of compiled them into a collage. You can see some of these projects I haven't even posted on YouTube or anywhere because I have to take time to actually make the video and stuff. I have a Las Vegas shirt, my Easter coloring book. Tuesday was in February. I vinyled one and screen printed one. Made a bunch of teacher shirts, a few Easter shirts, and some awareness shirts for Down syndrome, Angelman syndrome, cancer, Valentine book, Valentine shirt. Video right here, the Kiss Me Before Midnight, is coming out for the 12 days of Christmas, so be on the lookout for that. So this is actually the outline version of the text. I always keep my original text, so that way in case I want to go back and change it, I have the original text. Because once you outline the text, this is no longer a text. You cannot go back and edit it. You can use the pen tool and change the path, but it's not like a text where you can erase and type into it. Font, type, create outlines, Control-Shift-O, and that will create this lovely workable vector. You can see that white layer right here. I duplicated it and I added a stroke onto the top one and made it even more opaque because that's how you got that double design. What I want to do is adjust it to my postcard preset. Also, what I do, which I'm not going to show in here because it's got addresses, I'm going to go through and I have a bat address that's got my thing. I'll sign my name right here and then I'll type in the person's address, print it on here first, do all the addresses, then I'll run back and print all the fronts on the other side. Just so that way when I'm printing the front, it's the last thing to go through the printer. It's less likely for the front design to get messed up, and I don't want to hand type all the addresses. So this is a great substitute. Alright, let's get started. I'm using HP OfficeJet Pro 8710. I only do one at a time. This is an older printer. It doesn't do well with heavier cardstock. I'm going to adjust my settings to say 5x7, and I'm going to put thick plain paper. Hit done. I'm not going to tell you the threshold, so just order from me next year and hopefully you'll get one. Create my text, you go up here and you can put Control-Shift-O or Object, Path, Outline. What is it? Text, type. I know it's Control-Shift-O. I don't know where you find it. Give me just a second. I gotta Google. It's in the right spot, but I had the vector selected, not the font.